So, hello guys, today is the episode 1 of our grammar series and the previous series of 45 days French challenge, beginner to street French. In the last video, I have already told you about that I will start a grammar series in which I will cover all the topics that create confusion and doubts in the students of beginner and sometimes advanced also, like all 12 form of verbs, active, passive, direct, indirect speech, conjugations, liaison, linking, etc. And if you are new to this channel, please see all the other 45 videos also, and there are many more videos also, and many more and 3 long videos also. See all that also, because there are many French topics which are very important for a French learner to become a pro and native in French. Okay, so let's start today's video. In the episode 1, we gonna learn about the present tense and the regular and the irregular verbs in French. Okay. In any language, we have to learn the present tense, like we are learning French here, in English also, to know the language from the scratch or from the beginning. The present tense is used to talk about the action that are happening now, just now, actual move, that happening regularly, general truths, and sometimes even the near future. Okay? For example, le soleil s'élève à l'est means the sun rises in the east. This is a sentence of universal truth or a general truth that can't be changed. Okay, that's why we have to use the present tense always whenever we say this sentence. Okay, and the other examples are like je mange means I am eating or I eat. Okay, and one more thing, in French there is no specific tense for the present continuous. Like in English, we have the present continuous tense, like I am eating, I am walking, I am drinking. But in French, there is no specific tense for that. We have to use the simple present or the présent simple to indicate the both tenses, the present continuous and the simple present. For example, je mange. It means both. I eat and I am eating. Because French is a contextual language, by the context you can understand what the other person or what the speaker is saying. Okay, and the next example is elle parle français, means she speaks French. It's a regular habit of someone to speak a language, so it's also in present tense. Okay, so next example is demain je pars à Paris, means I am leaving for Paris tomorrow. It's for near future, but there is also another way to tell this or speak this is demain je vais partir à Paris, means tomorrow I am going to leave for Paris. It is also correct. Both sentences are correct. Okay, both are representing the near future. Okay, so now we know where to use the present tense, but now I tell you how to use the present tense. So in French there are 3 types of ending verbs. First is er verb, second are ir verbs, and third is re verbs. And these 3 types of verbs, 3 types of ending verbs have 2 types, regular and irregular, means regular and irregular, just like in English. Okay, the ending of er, ir and re verbs regular are like this. For example, er verbs are e, es, ons, az, ent. Ir is is, it, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. RE is s, no ending, ONS, EZ, ENT. It means that you have to remove the ending of these 3 types of verbs and put this. Okay, so let's take 3 examples of 3 types of verbs. Okay. So first is parler. So remove the er from the end and put this. Je parle, tu parles avec s. Il parle, nous parlons avec ons. Vous parlez avec az. Il parle avec ent. Then is finir. Is je finis avec s. Tu finis avec s. Il finit avec at. Nous finissons avec ssons. Vous finissez avec ssez. Ils finissent avec ent. Then re verbs. Vendre. Je vends avec s. Tu vends avec s. Il vend sans s. Pas de ending. without ending. Okay. Then nous vendons avec ONS. Vous vendez avec EZ. Ils vendent. Ils vendent. Ils vont, not vendent. Ils vont avec ANT. Okay, these are the endings and the conjugations of the regular verbs of the three types of ending verbs: ER, IR, and RE. Now the irregular verbs, and in this the endings are unpredictable, and you have to learn all this. Okay, and now the three examples of the irregular verbs, and the two most important verbs are être and avoir. Être means to be, means English we say I am. In French it becomes je suis. Okay, in English we say you are. In French it becomes tu es. Tu es is informal. Okay, informal, it's for friends. And then English we say he is, she is. So it becomes il est, elle est. We are. In English we say we are, it becomes nous sommes. You are, formal version. When you are talking with your professor or any teacher, you are. It becomes vous êtes. They are. Okay, it is ils sont, elles sont. Okay, être. Now avoir. Avoir is to have, means I have a book, j'ai le livre. Okay, I have a bag, j'ai le sac. I have a bottle, it becomes j'ai la bouteille, just like that. And the conjugations are j'ai, I have. Tu as, you have, informal. Il a, elle a, or on a, means he has, she has. Now we have. Nous avons. Then you have its formal version, again with your professor and with your teacher. It becomes vous avez. Okay, and the last one, they have, it becomes ils ont, elles sont. Okay, now a verb with er ending, like aller. Aller become je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Okay, so these three are the most important verbs, most important irregular verbs, and there are many more irregular verbs. I will write in the pinned comments, so check out the pinned comments also. So that's all for today for the episode 1. And if you like this video, subscribe the channel and follow the page in the Instagram, link in the bio, and see all other videos also of French, so you get the more knowledge about French and its language hacks. Okay, so for now, au revoir.